So the good morning to you, all of you again. In the last lectures, in theoretical topic, we discussed about the unit circle and their use. How could we find the angles using such a quadrant? If your angles lies on the first quadrant, that means your angles in the form of 90 minus theta or the 360 plus theta. જ્યારે તમારો એંગલ ફર્સ્ટ ક્વાડ્રન્ટમાં હશે તો ત્યારે હંમેશા એ 90 માઇનસ થીટા યા 360 પ્લસ થીટાની જ વેલ્યુ આપશે. Similarly, when your angle in a second quadrant, then you must get the two's value like a 90 plus theta and the 180 plus minus theta. That's mean જ્યારે તમારો એંગલ્સ ડિફાઇન કરવાનું હોય કોઈ પણ ટ્રિગોનોમેટ્રિક ફંક્શન માટે અને પાછળ 90 પ્લસ થીટા હોય યા 180 માઇનસ થીટા હોય ત્યારે તમારે સમજવાનું કે તમારો એંગલ સેકન્ડ ક્વાડ્રન્ટની અંદર બિલોંગ્સ કરે છે. And in your second quadrant you have a two trigonometric function are positive and the remaining are negative. That's mean when you have a sine and cos, that gives to you positive value. If you have any remaining and then using the 90 plus theta and 180 minus theta, it gives you negative answer. So in the second quadrant, you have only the two variable, two trigonometric function are positive. So in short, when you have a sine 90 plus theta, yeah, cosec 90 plus theta, then sine 180 minus theta, yeah, cosec 1 minus 80. Sorry, 180 minus theta. That's give you only the positive answer. Other are remaining. That's mean if you have a cos 190 plus theta, it's give you negative answer. If you have a 1090 plus theta, it again gives you negative answer. Why? Because in this quadrant you have only two trigonometric function are positive and the remaining anything it are negative. After you can decide your trigonometric function are positive or negative, then you can go with the axis. Maybe you can use the 90 plus theta, then you have a y axis value. If you have a 180 minus theta, that means your angle lies on the x axis. Deciding which angle you have, x axis or on y axis. After deciding x or y, you can apply the note. When your angle on the y axis, you can convert your trigonometric function sine to cos, cos to sine, and so on. But when your angle, it's a 180 form, it's a multiple of the 180. You don't convert your trigonometric function into the anyone. Means your trigonometric function remaining same. હવે શું કે છે સ્ટુડન્ટ ખાસ ધ્યાન રાખવાનું આપણે એક જ ક્વાડ્રન્ટ ઉપર ફોકસ કરીએ છીએ તે સેકન્ડ ક્વાડ્રન્ટ સેકન્ડનો આવડી જશે તો બધા ક્વાડ્રન્ટની વેલ્યુ તમને લોકોને ફાઇન્ડ કરતા આવડી જશે. સેકન્ડ ક્વાડ્રન્ટની અંદર તમારા બે જ ટ્રિગોનોમેટ્રિક ફંક્શન પોઝિટિવ છે સાઇન અને કોસેક. એના સિવાયના કોઈ પણ ટ્રિગોનોમેટ્રિક ફંક્શન હશે એ આન્સર તમને નેગેટિવ જ આપશે. સેકન્ડ ક્વાડ્રન્ટની અંદર આપણે બે એંગલ્સ ડિફાઇન કરેલા છે 90 પ્લસ થીટા એન્ડ 180 માઇનસ થીટા. જો 90 નો એંગલ યુઝ કરેલો હોય તો સાઇન નો કોસ થશે, કોસ નો સાઇન થશે, tan નો કોટ એન્ડ સો ઓન. બટ 180 નો એંગલ યુઝ કરેલો હોય તો ટ્રિગોનોમેટ્રિક ફંક્શન ની અંદર કોઈ ચેન્જ નહીં થાય. So these are the rules. There are only the 3 steps and the answer is only gives to you one step. So look here. This is the note when your angle lies on the x or y. Of your angle is on x axis, that means x positive and x negative both. The both axes are including. They are discussing on the y axis, that means they are including on y and minus y both. So the angle lies on the y axis, that means the 90 or 450, then 270, and all. They convert your trigonometric function in this remaining form. Sine to cos, cos to sine, tan to cot, and cot to tan, sec, cosec, and cosec, sec. That's all. And after you can know all thing about, so you can apply this rule. First of all, decide the quadrant, then check your T ratio positive or negative. If your T ratio is positive, your answer is positive. If your T ratio is negative, then your answer is negative. After giving the positive or negative sign, you can apply the note. Means which angle are used on the x-axis or on the y-axis. Okay. So these are the rules. Some example we also discussed. We discussing on the first quadrant. All the angles on the first quadrant. These are the angles which are lies on the first quadrant. Here we using the 90 degree. That's mean your we using the second note means our angle on the y-axis. The first quadrant have a two angle. First 90 minus theta and second is a 360 plus theta. Here we using the 90 minus theta. That's mean first of all the 90 minus theta. Decide in the which quadrant. Then you can see the trigonometric function is positive or negative. It is positive to give their sign. Then the third step, I want to apply the note. But not say you first of all you decide your angles lies from on x or y. Then you can apply the note and you convert your trigonometric function if you need. Okay. તો બી આ રીતે આપણે આ ક્વેશ્ચન ને ગણવાના છે. બે ક્વાડ્રન્ટ ની વાત કરી લીધી. હવે હું થર્ડ ક્વાડ્રન્ટ ઉપર જાઉં છું. તો થર્ડ ક્વાડ્રન્ટ ના ક્વેશ્ચન મેં હોમવર્ક માં આપેલા હતા. થોડા ઘણા સાચા છે, થોડા ઘણા ખોટા છે. આવું ન થવું જોઈએ. So let me moving on the third quadrant. હવે થર્ડ ક્વાડ્રન્ટ ના ક્વેશ્ચન ને આપણે સોલ્વ કરતા શીખશું. તો ચલો આપણે અત્યારે થર્ડ ક્વાડ્રન્ટ ની નોટ્સ ને કોપી પેસ્ટ કરી લઈએ. This is your unit circle. આ unit circle આવડવું જોઈએ. બાકી બધું આવડી જશે. You just focus on the quadrant. This is your third quadrant. We have a two note. These are these two note. Okay, these are these two note. Hope you it's visible. And rules. And these are the rules. Hope you this is maybe visible to you because all the thing we trying to looking. Yes, I think it's visible. જો આટલી વસ્તુ કોઈ પણ angles, if you if you want to solve any question, you know these three things. So let me here we focus on the third quadrant. This is your just change their color. Yes. Just to look different. Otherwise, you are not identified for that. Okay. The three things. My question from the third quadrant. When they ask you evaluate this thing. Cause I'm using here these angles. 180 plus theta. Okay, student? So how good? So first of all, you can follow the step. The step 1 said, find the quadrant. So look here, the 180 plus theta, they are lies on the third quadrant. 180 plus theta, they are the lies on the third quadrant here. So my first step is over. I decide my quadrant. And this is the third. And this thing you don't need to write anywhere. Right, Karan? Answer is definitely right. It's a minus cos. So first we decide our quadrant, then use the second step. First step is over, we decide the quadrant. My second step is said, check your T ratio or positive or negative in this quadrant. Means you decide your angles in the third quadrant, then you check your trigonometric ratio. That means this is your trigonometric ratio. This is your trigonometric ratio. This cos is positive or negative in this third quadrant. Look here, in the third quadrant, only the tan and cot positive. Remainings are negative. This is not a tan, this is not a cot, it's a cos. So it gives it to you minus sign. Means in this quadrant, your cos is negative. So this question gives to you negative answer. So I apply the second rule. In this quadrant, cos is negative. So it gives to negative sign. Means negative answer. Okay. After giving the sign, you can apply the note. Third step say apply the note. This is your note. And the note said you can decide your angle on x-axis or y-axis. Look here. The angle on x-axis is 180. Angle on the y-axis is 270. Here I am using 180 angle. That means my angle lies on the x-axis. Here, look here. This is a minus x. So apply the note which I belongs to an x-axis. This is my x-axis note. 180 lies on the x-axis, so follow the note. The first note for the x-axis, and it say if your any function lies on the x-axis, there is no change in the t ratios. Means sine, it's sine, cos is cos. Look here, this is your cos. There is no change. This is the question. Last put your theta. So answer of the given question, it's a cos minus cosine theta because 180 it lies on. Okay. And on x-axis, that means no change in t ratio. Hope you got. चलो स्टूडेंट बधाने समझाणु कई रीते આપણે ક્વેશ્ચન ને સોલ્વ કરીએ છીએ. Now look, the second question again from the third quadrant. Now look here, what is the change of U? Second question again evaluate something. They're asking you, you can find the 10 degree minus theta. So first step, it's what you can decide your quadrant. So look here, the 270 minus theta lies on which quadrant? So the student here, hope you definitely look here. This is your quadrant. 270, this is your 270 degrees. It lies on third quadrant. So you finish the first step. First step, it gives to you third quadrant. Okay. Now moving on the second step. Second step, you decide in this quadrant your trigonometric ratio. Your trigonometric ratio, this is your 10. It's positive or negative. Look here. In this quadrant, 10 and quote are positive. Remaining are negative. Look here, this is the 10. So this 10 gives to you positive answer. So second step is over. This is the third step. And the 10 is positive in third quadrant. So it's give you positive answer. Third step over. Sorry, second is over. Moving on the third step. Third step said apply the notes. Means you can see which note is applicable here. Your angle is 270. This 270 lies on the y-axis. Look here. Okay. So follow the note for the y-axis. And y-axis say, if your angle on the y-axis means you can convert your function in the given rule, by this given rule. Here the 10 is converted into the cot. So my 10 is converted into the cot. And last you can put the value of theta. So this is the answer. Hope you understood. All the Indian student and the international student, to all of you, have any problem related this type of question?
Hello, madam.
Yes.
Good afternoon, madam.
Yes, very good afternoon.
Madam, The issue is,
Yes.
are we supposed to do the same thing as you wrote there, or we are doing the same as we did before?
Now I didn't get in your point. Could you speak again?
My point is, you told us to find third and the fourth quadrant, and I did
Mm-hmm.
the work, and my question is it the same way as I supposed to do this way, or to do another way that you told us the yesterday's on yesterday's class?
Both day I think I did the same work.
Yes, sir. Yes, madam. Sorry.
When you send your homework, there's some mistake because didn't convert your trigonometric function by this note. Okay, for that I'm told you. Okay, you just I will solve your problem in the next day. So there is some changing. Otherwise, your maximum answer is right. The maximum method and maximum rule you understood, but something you miss, and this missing is this not because you didn't apply this not.
Okay.
Okay, because
Okay, madam.
this third step is a very important. You can do this thing, but you didn't convert your trigonometric ratio in the following using this following note. Otherwise, your
Oh,
answer is 100% is right. But this note is missing every time. For the
okay.
y-axis. Okay.
Yes.
Now, any student, any have a question? The civil, electrical, and the chemical student have any doubt about these angles?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, if you know, so I will give the some question and asking to you randomly. Okay, so all the student be ready with your book and pen. I'm giving some example to you. Solve this using this in quadrant, this unit circle, and tell me the answer of it. And I'm asking you randomly any of. You can say all the answer with the procedure. What you can do, how could you do? Okay. Now be ready for this. Last time I'm asking to you, have any question about this topic? Any doubt about this topic? Okay. The silent always say you understood all things. So ready for the question. You must evaluate this question. This is your theta. So this is your question. I give you 5 minutes. Yes. Okay. 10 minutes. No. It's a 5 minutes is enough for all of you. I give the 5 minutes and I'm asking you randomly to any student. So be ready and all the best.
Ma'am,
Yes, Tanmay.
ma'am, answer of first is sin theta.
No. I will ask you.
Okay, ma'am.
I will ask you every student and you can share your, you can tell me and procedure and what is the answer of it. Both things. Procedure of it and the answer. And both are totally true. You must try to say truth thing. Karan, I don't need any answer. So only the 3 minutes are remaining. So the student, first of all, you can unmute yourself. I am giving you a name of the student. He or she unmute his or self. So the first of all, Aryan Rao, 22 numbers from the chemical department, give the answer of the first question. Hello Aryan, unmute yourself. અને તમારામાંથી કોઈ મને એમ
Yes,
કહેતા નહીં કે નેટવર્ક પ્રોબ્લેમ છે તો ચેટ બોક્સમાં નાખી પ્રોસીજર લખાવીશ, ધ્યાન રાખજો. ચલો આર્યન, પહેલા તો પ્રોસીજર બોલ આખા ક્વેશ્ચનની અને પછી એનો આન્સર બોલ, જે રીતે આવડે એ રીતે. Now start.
ma'am, I don't know answer.
Why you don't know? હજી પૂછું છું કે કોઈ ડાઉટ છે તો તારે ડાઉટ એ નથી કેવો ને આન્સર એ નથી કેવો એટલે શું છે? And this is the excuse you don't know. If you don't know, then you ask me when you have a problem.
Sorry.
Now the civil department, Aishwarya, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me the answer of the first question.
Ma'am, sin theta.
It's a sine theta, right? Absolutely right. But how? Procedure also say with me. ચલો આપણે જે લેંગ્વેજમાં આવડે, મધર ટંગ ઇઝ વેરી ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ ધેન ધ ઓલ અધર લેંગ્વેજ. જે લેંગ્વેજમાં આવે એ લેંગ્વેજમાં તો બોલી શકે છો. Why it's the sine theta, Aishwarya? મગજ જાય ની પેલા છોકરાઓ પ્રોસીજર બોલજો. ઓકે,
Ma'am, 3
ચલો
sides
કેમિકલ.
ma'am, all 3 sides
પેલા તો
મળીને
એમ કે 90 માઇનસ, એક મિનિટ,
Yes,
90 માઇનસ થીટા કયા ક્વાડ્રન્ટમાં બિલોંગ્સ કરે છે?
ma'am, first quadrant.
પ્રોસીજર કઈ રીતે બોલવાની એ બધા સ્ટુડન્ટ સાંભળી લો. પેલા પેલા કહેવાનું કે 90 માઇનસ થીટા ફર્સ્ટ ક્વાડ્રન્ટમાં, સેકન્ડ કહેવાનું ફર્સ્ટ ક્વાડ્રન્ટમાં કોસ પોઝિટિવ છે એટલે પ્લસ આન્સરમાં આવશે, પોઝિટિવ આન્સર આવશે. 90 નો એંગલ y એક્સિસ ઉપર છે એટલે કોસ નું કન્વર્ટ થઈ જશે સાઇન. આટલું બોલવાનું છે.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, how could you say your answer? You just first of all you tell me the 90 minus theta, it belongs to the first quadrant. Second step, in the first quadrant cos is positive, so it gives you positive answer. And the third step, 90 angle lies on the y-axis, so cos convert into the sine. And so my answer is sine theta. You just speak these 5 words. હવે 5 લાઈન બોલવાની છે. 5 લાઈન બોલવામાં આટલું વાર લાગે? ચલો સ્ટાર્ટ થઈ જા.
Ma'am, 90 minus theta lies in the first quadrant, and all signs are positive in the first quadrant. So, and also this lies in y-axis, so cos will be converted into sine, hence positive sine theta.
Right, good. The second answer from the Diya, chemical student. Diya, unmute yourself. Ria Vora from the chemical student, unmute yourself. Okay. Now the Soham, tell me the answer of the second question. Where is Soham? Okay, minus 10 theta, Divya. So, okay, she is sharing the answer. It's a minus 10 theta, but she is wrong. Answer is plus theta. Because look here, the 360 plus theta, they are lies on the first quadrant. And the all first quadrant, all the t ratio are positive. So it gives you positive answer. And if it lies on the x-axis, that means the trigonometric functions are not the same. 10 becomes 10. So your answer is plus 10 theta, not a minus 10 theta Diya. I don't know what are you doing during the class. If you know the any other procedure, so I have no problem. You can apply the other procedure if you know, because the whole thing we discussed it on the standard 10 in the class 10. So you were learning all things from there. Jigar Chawda from the chemical department. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Jigar Chawda from chemical department. चलो भाई next नो आंसर आप quote with procedure. चलो start. Okay. Jigar. Note.
મેડમ નથી કર્યો હતો.
So
નથી આવડતું
नहीं
મેડમ.
नहीं problem શું છે નથી
નથી
આવડતું
આવડતું
તો
હા.
ડાઉટ માં પૂછી નથી શકાતું જ્યારે પૂછું ત્યારે નથી પૂછી શકાતું જ્યારે સ્ટાર્ટ થયું હતું ત્યારથી જ કહું છું કે this is a very important thing. ઓપ્શન માં કાઢો છે આખી મિડ એક્ઝામ આની પર છે.
ઓકે મેડમ.
શું ઓકે ઓકે એટલે ઇનફ પતી ગયું.
ના મેમ.
થોડોક એટીટ્યુડ ઘરે મૂકીને આવ અને અહીંયા ભણવામાં ધ્યાન દે. ચલો કેલ્વિન. Yes. Chemical department, Kelvin. Solve the question. Number 3.
Okay, number 3 is the answer. The
Yes.
answer will be mm, will be tan theta is
Yes.
it is cot 90 degrees plus theta is in
Yes.
the first quadrant. So if it's in the first
Right.
quadrant, yeah, that's the first step. The second step, you see that uh, cot this trigonometric this trigonometric relation positive or negative. So in the first quadrant, all are positive. So it will be positive. Then you look that it's in the y, it will change it to be tan. So it will be tan theta.
Right. 80% right. Because the 90 plus theta, they are lies on the second quadrant, not the first quadrant. Look here. This is your unit circle. Look here, the 90 plus theta, it's lies on the second quadrant. Otherwise, the procedure is right. But look here, the 90 plus theta is on second quadrant. For that, your answer is 90 plus theta lies on the second quadrant. So in the second quadrant, S and the cosec, sine and the cosec are positive, remaining are negative. Yet the cos, for that cos is negative in the second quadrant. So it gives to you negative answer. In 90 means the 90 angle lies on the y-axis, then definitely cot is converted into the 10. So your answer is minus 10 theta. Answer is right, Kelvin, but the procedure is wrong because you told me the 90 plus theta lies on the first quadrant, but the 90 plus theta on the second quadrant. Okay. So the student,
Okay, ma'am.
this is your homework. 10th question with the all step. કઈ રીતે કરવાનો છે આન્સર લખવાનો અને એના બધા step. How could you do your homework? First of all, write your answer, then you can write the all step S1, S2 and S3. How, why, it. Okay, all thing you can do. ત્રણ step લખવાના અને પછી એનો answer લખવાનો, direct answer નહીં. Today I will give you the PPT of unit circle on your Google Classroom. And student, you can send your assignment as soon as possible before the due date of rubrics. And on Monday, you remember your rubric test for the 10 marks at 3 p.m. કરણ અત્યારે નથી પૂછી લેવું. ચલો તને એક આન્સર પૂછી લઉં છું. અત્યારે પૂછવાનો ટાઈમ નથી, લખવાનું આળસ નહીં કરવાની. એ બધી કઈ આળસ આવે છે બધાને? Karan, you can tell me this answer first with term, with the procedure. Karan, unmute yourself and say the answer. Not type.
Hello.
What happened? Yes, Karan.
180 માઇનસ છે એટલે સેકન્ડ આવશે ક્વોડ્રન્ટ ને પછી એક્સ એક્સિસ યુઝ કરેલી છે એટલે શું કે સેક છે તો સેક નું સેક જ રહેશે અને સાઇન ને કોસેક એમ પોઝિટિવ હોય એટલે એટલે આ માઇનસ સેક થીટા આવશે.
Okay, 180 minus theta in which quadrant?
સેકન્ડ.
Okay. Very good. Right. અને fifth નો answer આપી દે હાલ.
માઇનસ સેક થીટા.
Answer is right. It's a minus sec theta. Because 180, it's in second quadrant. 180 minus theta in the second quadrant. Second in the second quadrant, sec is negative. 180 means on x-axis there is no change in the function. Tell me the answer of the first. Keep the current u.
minus sec theta.
Minus sec theta. Why?
Fourth quadrant છે એટલે 270 પ્લસ એટલે y axis નો યુઝ કર્યો.
Right. Very good. So you don't need to do homework.
cosec નો sec થઈ જાય.
Right, perfect, right, 100% right. 270 plus theta in the fourth quadrant, fourth ની અંદર sec અને cosec પોઝિટિવ, સોરી cos અને sec પોઝિટિવ, બાકીના બધા નેગેટિવ. અહીંયા cosec છે તો આન્સર નેગેટિવ થઈ જશે. 270 ડિગ્રી y એક્સિસ ઉપર હોય છે તો y એક્સિસ ની નોટ ફોલો કરવાની, cosec બની જશે sec and લાસ્ટમાં theta લખવાનું. So this are the procedure. So this is the remaining question in your homework with the step. આ 5 question છે with step સાથે તમારે homework પર લખવાના છે બધાને. ઓકે, કરંટ ઓલ્સો ઇન્ક્લુડિંગ, કરંટ ને પણ લખવાના છે. અને આજે મને બધાનું હોમવર્ક મળી જવું જોઈએ, બાકી પછી જ્યારે નેક્સ્ટ માં મળશું તો રિયલમાં મજા નહીં આવે કોઈને. Now ready for the attendance. All the students please unmute yourself. દસ વખત વિડીયો જોવો પડે તો 10 વખત જોઈ લેજો. Electrical student, unmute yourself. Number 1 from the electrical
Yes,
department.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, number 2, 3,
Yes, ma'am.
civil 2. Done. Okay. Civil 3. Sorry, not a civil. Sorry, sorry, electric four number. Okay. Wait a minute. Electrical student, not civil. 2 મિનિટ ખમી જા. Electrical વાળાની present લઈ લઉં. Electrical 1 done. Electrical 2 છે. Electrical 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 4.
Yes, ma'am.
5, 6 and 7. ચલો, electrical student leave થઈ શકે છે. You are free for today. Civil student ready. જે લોકોને ઇલેક્ટ્રિકલ માં નેટવર્ક ઇશ્યુ હોય ચેટ બોક્સ માં એની અટેન્ડન્સ લખી નાખે. Civil 1, Civil 2.
Present ma'am.
Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 number.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 9.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. 10, 11.
Yes, ma'am. 11.
Okay. 12. Brijan. Chalo, chemical department, civil department, you are free. Do your work. Chemical, be ready for the attendance number 1 in chemical department. Madina.
Ma'am, present, ma'am.
Okay, number 3.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. દિયા, તને ક્વેશ્ચન પૂછું છું ત્યારે કેમ તું મ્યુટ અનમ્યુટ નથી કરતી? કે કઈ કહેવાનું નહીં, શાંતિથી બેઠું રહેવાનું ક્લાસમાં. Number 4.
Present, ma'am.
Number 5. Number 6.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 11, 12.
Present, ma'am.
12 number.
Present, ma'am. Number 12.
Okay. Okay. 13, Yes. 14.
Ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Ma'am, 13 numbers.
हाँ चलो done. 14 number.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. 15.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. 16.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 17.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. 18. 19. 20. Pascal.
Present.
21.
Present,
Madam,
ma'am.
present number 20.
Done. Pascal done. 22. Last.
21, ma'am.
Present.
Present.
Okay. ચલો હવે કોઈ બાકી હોય તો chat box માં લખી નાખજો. Okay, today I've stopped here. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Number 10, madam, present.
Okay, number 10, Parasat, Calvin.